Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the cable of your Dyson HD hairdryer. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know, from the tools required to the step-by-step process of disassembling and reassembling your device. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and some electrical tape. It's also advisable to have a multimeter on hand to check for continuity in the cable. Begin by unplugging your hairdryer and ensuring it is completely cool. Safety is paramount, so make sure you are working in a well-lit area. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. Inside, you will see the cable connected to the main circuit board. Inspect the cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or cuts. If you find any issues, you will need to replace the cable. To do this, use your wire cutters to carefully snip the damaged section of the cable. Strip the ends of the remaining wires to prepare them for reconnection. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your hairdryer repaired without any hassle. Now take the new cable and connect it to the circuit board. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires. Use electrical tape to insulate the connections, preventing any short circuits. Once the new cable is in place, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Carefully align the handle and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly secured. Before you plug it back in, it's a good idea to test the continuity of the cable with your multimeter. This will ensure that the repair has been successful. If you're unsure about this step, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD hairdryer and test it to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we're here to help you with any repairs you may need, and with our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get your devices fixed. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Happy repairing. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.